Altair SimLab gives you the option to work with unit systems that can be visualized and converted as you work, helping you when you have to deal with multiple solvers and physics. In a new database, you can use the Units toggle to decide if you want to use a unit system or not. If you choose to work with pure numbers without units, SimLab will only ask you for the units to use to read your CAD geometry. To work with a unit system, turn on the toggle at the very beginning of your work and choose a suitable system for you. You can choose both consistent and inconsistent unit systems. In the preferences, you can set the default unit system to be used in a new database. If an existing database was created with units, the choice will be remembered when you open it. But you can choose a different unit system at any time, even while you are entering data. If you enter a unit in the input field that is not in use, SimLab will do the conversion for you. The unit converter is a useful tool to convert data before entering it. For each solution, you can specify in the Format and Execute option in which consistent unit system you want to write your solver input deck and result file. You will see these units only when you visualize the input deck or result file with another software. Results are also displayed in the currently active unit system. If you want to remove the units from a database, use the option Save as SimLab Database without units. After saving, you must reopen the file to continue working with unitless numbers. In the same way, you can use the Save As option to define a unit system in a database that doesn't have one.